Welcome, welcome. I want to say thank you so much for the connection and being able to really get those insights, advanced moves, to really raise the bar of what you offer your clients and be on the path to having your ideal accounting firm. So I'm Loren Fogelman with Business Success Solution, and today's topic is, do you get stuck with those non-ideal clients? A lot of times, especially in the beginning, you work with everybody. And this is something that I feel very passionate about. In the beginning, I can understand accepting a wide range of clients. Some of them make you happy when you first meet with them, and then others make you happy once they move on. But you end up with a wide range of clients from low value to high value because you might believe that you have to work with everyone. I will just say that is not true. And this is where I want you to start to get choosy. Cherry pick who it is that you work with, who you onboard as a client into your firm, because that's a long-term relationship you want to have. And I want you to have one where it's a win-win for both you and them, as opposed to where they have a lot to gain and you pay the price for them working with you. So I want to say right off the bat, there is a hidden cost to enrolling the wrong person into your accounting firm. And if you know what some of those things might be, please let me know below. Would like to see what you see as the hidden cost of having a non-ideal client who's not a right fit for your firm working with you. But these are the 4 Ds that I see when you have a non-ideal client. First of all, they drain your energy. They are exhausting. They demand attention. They want extras. They might be difficult to work with. So when you get that email from them, as soon as you see their name in your inbox, your anxiety goes up. And they don't get the best results from your work because they're not fully invested. So that's true whether you're a bookkeeper, tax professional, accountant. You probably hold on to non-ideal clients, those people who really aren't a great fit for you, or they give you anxiety and they aren't really paying you enough for all the extra worries that they give you because, well, you hold on to them for too long because you don't want to fire them. You're afraid of firing them. You resist having that difficult conversation. You don't know how to deal with that. And I want to say prevention is easier than intervention. Intervention would be having the wrong client and fire them. It takes much too long before you actually do that. You end up tolerating them for a long, long time. And I'd rather focus on prevention. Let's prevent them from ever onboarding into your firm, from them ever becoming a client. And this way, you prevent yourself from ending up with the wrong client for way too long. The reason I'm talking about this is earlier today, I was having a conversation. And during that, I was asking this person what she does to be able to onboard new clients, what her system is. And she was telling me about the fact that she was looking to put a counter link on her website in order to be able to have potential new clients immediately schedule an appointment with her. And that's when I said, stop, don't do that. What you want to do instead is pre-screen or pre-qualify potential clients before they ever get a link to your calendar because you're busy. Your time is valuable. I want you speaking with the right people instead of all the people. Instead of having a link to your calendar, what you want to have is a couple questions that they ask before you give them access to your calendar. By looking at the answers to their questions, you're going to get an idea as to whether this person is actually a right fit for your firm or not. If they are, happily share the link to your calendar with them to schedule a initial consult. If they're not, feel free to maybe make a recommendation, share a resource, and then send them on your way. But that saves you a lot of headache down the road. And basically, like I said, this is to protect you. So if you're tired of working with these non-ideal clients, they're not a fit for your firm, then I invite you to join me this Wednesday on how to be able to look at your onboarding process leading into cleanups as a way to screen clients. Yes, when you're looking at doing cleanup projects for a new client, potential new client, I want you to look at this as being part of your onboarding process, and there is a way to protect you. By doing this, it's a step-by-step system. It gives you an onboarding process, and it saves you headaches because now you get to cherry pick your clients instead of accepting everyone and then regretting that you let some clients work with you when maybe you had that gut feeling that you should have just let them go, but you didn't know how. I want to save you from having that. This process is like having your virtual gatekeeper. It really is to protect you from working with those wrong clients. So if that interests you and you want to be able to know how cleanup projects are part of your onboarding system, give you that virtual gatekeeper to protect you from onboarding the wrong client, then like I said, join me on Wednesday, August 10th at 4 p.m. Eastern, 1 o'clock Pacific for a free masterclass called Earn 2 to 3 times more from your cleanup projects. The link is businesssuccesssolution.com/cleanup. I will share that below, but once again, it's businesssuccesssolution.com/cleanup. And I will just say, following this saves you from the headache of holding on to non-ideal clients for too long because you don't want to fire them. Anyway, let me know what one insight you took away from this, any thoughts from this, something you plan to implement right away. Maybe it affirms something that you're already doing. Would love to know from you what it is that resonated with you and how you're going to make this work in order to raise the bar with your accounting professionals and working with those clients who are a dream to work with. Loren Fogelman, showing accounting professionals how to double their income, working half the time.